Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI Redmi Note 12 to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Now get this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, tap on Open. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of XIAOMI Redmi Note 12 and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, set up the best option for your ads by clicking on Yes I agree or No thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to XIAOMI. On it, tap on all of those categories located at the top, and in them click on those type of dots to list all of your files from this category. You can also just click on the chosen ones. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected located at the bottom. Now click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan the QR code, you need to select the scanning icon located next to Input key on an Android. Click on while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers correctly, and then hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!